I'm Jenny, and I'm an ambassador with Forever. Hello, everybody. I thought I would respond to questions I've had about what I do to save and manage my photos and my digital scrapbooking. So I'll share with you a couple of screens, and then if you've got more questions, then go ahead and ask me. All right, so let me share my Forever screen with you and switch it to that. There you go. There's my Forever homepage. And as you can see in my Forever account, I have quite a number of albums. Some of them are private to me. Some of them I share publicly. My phone is my device for most of my photos. And overnight, it will upload when connected to Wi-Fi in the background. I don't even have to think about it. So these photos that have turned up here, I took just a short while ago of the puzzle that I had finished making. And if I go in there to these photos, I can see that I need to edit myself out there a little bit. So I can edit this photo right here online. There it is there. I actually want to transform this. So here's my different shapes that I can do. I'm going to bring that into that edge there, bring that one down to that edge there. That looks pretty good for a crop. There we go. And I will say that's okay. I will press the save button over here on the right, and that will save that photo. Now, the next thing I need to do on a photo when I'm saving it is to make sure that it's easy to find. There it is. Look at that. That's my lovely jigsaw. I'm going to add a tag to this photo. I am scrapbooking my day-to-day. So this is part of my 2020 day-to-day. So if I type D2D, there's my 2020 day-to-day. Now it's also a jigsaw. I have a tag for that as well. So I'll add the tags. And I would like to put this into an album. So I'm going to put it into my day-to-daily life album here, and that will be added to the album. I can also add the description. And update the info. So that info will always be there. To show you how easy it is to manipulate this, these are all jigsaw related. So I can hold my control key down and grab all of those jigsaw related pictures and tag them all at once. So add a tag, pick out jigsaw, add the tags. At the moment, I'm looking at all of the files in my library. I can change that to any files not in an album. And here we have these photos that are not yet in an album. So I can tick all of those and add them to my day-to-day album this easily. Now, what if I want to upload photos from my computer? You can press the upload button here, and I can actually upload photos from Facebook, but I'm going to choose files from my computer here just to show you. I don't actually have many pictures here on my computer because I haven't taken anything with my camera lately. So I'll just select a couple just to show you. I will open those and they will upload. I'm done uploading, and so now they appear in my library and I can put them into wherever I want them to go. So I have a COVID-19 tag. So I'll add the tags. This one here is an old family photo, so I can add the tag East Family. Now, these COVID ones need to go into my day-to-day album because I'm doing pages on those, so I'll add them into the album. I'll put them in the journal, COVID-19 journal, and then this one will go into a family album. Now, this family album is the one that I've been working on for my cousins. So we'll take a look at the albums. These are the albums that I have. And if I jump into the East Family History album, I have been sorting through all the old photos. Now, I've made scrapbooks with these photos, but I had the digital photo copies. And my cousins started pulling out some old photos of the family. And I'm like, hey, I've got plenty of family photos too. So this album is put together, focused on my grandparents, Amy and Lindsay, but it includes photos of my cousins and all my aunts and uncles. Friends and families for people who have accounts in Forever. Public is for anybody. And now I can share the link with them online so they can see the whole album. The tags you know about. I'll jump over here to friends and family. At the moment in my account, there is my two daughters and my sister who all have accounts with Forever, and I can visit their albums and share photos with them, and they're all completely private. None of it's interrupted by advertising or anything like that. And I can also visit albums that are shared by others within the Forever system that they've shared with me. So these are the kinds of things that I've been looking at that come from other users of Forever. For scrapbooking, you can do a number of things. You can create an auto book, which means you basically have all your photos ready to go, and right away you can create an album. So I have created an album very quickly from my niece's wedding, which I haven't actually ordered yet, as you can see here, but it was easy to do. You can also do a number of other print projects in Forever. If I click on design and print here, you'll see what all the options are for design and print. So in design and print, we can make photo books starting as from 1999. So in a design and print book, all of the designs are done for you. You just choose what you want and then put your photos in there. They're all pre-designed, pre-decorated with spaces for lots of photos, and you just slot your photos in and tell your story, order the print, and it's done. It's that easy. You can also get all kinds of wall decor, canvas prints, acrylic panels, and metal panels. The metal panels are beautiful. I've had one of those before. Cards, calendars, and other kinds of photo prints. You can just get your photos printed through Forever if you want. The other thing I can do is store video at Forever, and if you buy a video package, you can stream videos live. You know about my scrapbooking. To do that, I use this software, Forever Artisan. So let me just show you that. So this is my Artisan program, and in here, I'm working on a number of different books, as you can see. So I'll take you into my day-to-day book. So it always opens up on the first page of a project, and it has the print guide on it, which tells you where things will get cut off in printing. But we turn that off while we're working on the pages. You can see over here on my right-hand side, I have a view of all the pages I have made so far. And I can see the two pages together, or I can view one page at a time. There's different reasons for doing it either way. Basically, what happens is I have a pre-designed book like this, and I just slot photos in. So let's take this page as an example. I've already decorated this page with some paper and a couple of motifs, which I probably won't keep, but you've got the idea that they're there. I need a couple more photos. I need some of those photos from my jigsaw. So get photos from Forever and log in. So I don't have to go through the clicky steps of downloading from my phone, putting them on my computer and tagging them in my computer, etc. It's already done. They're online. They're in full size, full resolution. Nothing gets altered or changed like they do with Facebook. Now I want jigsaw, so I'm going to scroll down my tags to jigsaw. There it is, jigsaw. And these are my jigsaw photos. So I want this one and hold down my control key. I want this one that I fixed up, and I probably want this one which is nearly finished. Get selected, and they will appear in my list of photos in just a minute. So right now in my photo panel, we can see all of the photos that are in this book, and that can become quite unwieldy when you get up to page 99, which is the maximum number of pages. And when you've got 7 to 10 photos on a page, that's a lot of photos. So I can change this view now to photos not used, and that gives me very quick access to these photos. And I can slot that one into there because that's about where I was at, and I can drop this one into here, and this one I want to rotate that to the right and pop that in there. That's my new jigsaw. Now it's not quite positioned right in the photo, so I will just resize it and fit it so it sits nicely. That one's okay. This one here needs some work, so I'll do that with it. Okay. I can type in here 13, almost finished with the jigsaw, and so on. Now I can change the fonts and everything there with this font picker here. Make it bigger, and so on. Okay. Now if I want to put pretties on the page, it's really easy. I then go to content. These are the papers. These are some embellishments that I might choose. Let's put this one on there just for argument's sake. Remember, so I can resize that. I can make it smaller. I can make it bigger. Whatever I want to do with it. I can put a shadow on it. There's a whole lot of things that you can do. So it's a very, very good, robust program for doing that. So what about all those files that I do have on my computer? I use this other program. It's called Historian. So this is my media library. It has a built-in backup system to a trusty old external hard drive. And here you can see those same photos, the East family photos that I had before. So this is where all my photos go from my camera and from the past. Let's jump into the family. You can see I've got lots of original photos that are heritage photos. These are from my dad's family. It has all the photos from the East family here as well. And each photo can be edited and managed in this. Okay, so you can see over here on the right hand side, I've got the names of the two ladies that are in this photo. They have been facially recognized by the program, so I don't have to do the facial recognition. Once the program really learns the faces, it's pretty good at picking them up. I can tell the story, so I just need to check in with Dad and get him to tell me a story about his two sisters, and I can pop that in here. I could use a rating system to choose my best photos, and so on. All of the actual file information is here, and anything that I bring in from forever is in the original file size. It has not been changed or reduced in any way, shape or form. So when I want to scrapbook a big event, I jump in here to my albums. And for example, this one on Japan, these are all the photos that I had for my story, for my trip. And so sorting the photos I wanted to put into a scrapbook happens here. And then from here, I upload the photos to my Artisan software. So it's a bit of a three-way street. I use Historian for storing my old photos. I use Forever Online Storage for all of my current and up-to-date photos, and am slowly working my way backwards through history. And I use Forever Artisan for my digital scrapbooking. Can you try all this for free? Yes, you can. You can jump into Forever right now and try it. So let me take you back into Forever. We'll start with storage. That's the best starting place. The first thing you need to do is sort and organize your photos. So start where you're at with the photos that you've taken today, tomorrow, that sort of thing. Forever is guaranteed. You pay once, you do not pay an annual fee, you own it. There is no data mining, no advertising. It's guaranteed for 100 years plus your lifetime. There is full resolution. We don't compress the photos at all. You can collect, curate, and celebrate all from the one location. There are lots of different file types that you can store up here. So all your original documents, anything historical especially, can be put in here. Videos, that sort of stuff. Now, you can get a free 2 gigabyte account to see if you like this. Preservation settings enables you to nominate who will inherit and manage your account should something happen to you, which is something else you don't get on other cloud storage. I am an ambassador, so make sure you're shopping with the ambassador of Jenny, and I'll be able to give you a hand. I'm available pretty much anytime to help with any questions that you might have. And you can play with all of this for free because you can get the free trial account. You can try the scrapbooking software for free. You can create photo print books online, and you can try Artisan and Historian for free. So have a go. See if you like it. Let me know. Tell me about it. Check it out. I think you'll like it. So join me, your ambassador, Jenny, at Memories and Photobooks for the next video. I'll see you online sometime. Bye-bye for now.